Welcome to the best picks. The best paver brush is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have for your outdoor spaces, effortlessly removing dirt, grime, moss, and weeds from pavers, patios, and driveways, making your home look spick and span with minimal effort. In this video, we will review the best paver brushes on the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Drillbrush Outdoor Cleaning Kit. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. This kit makes cleaning patios, decks, and more a breeze. Transform your drill into a powerful cleaning machine. Its unique bullet shape gets into every nook and cranny. Easily remove stains and restore surfaces to their former glory. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. These larger brushes tackle bigger cleaning jobs with ease. Clean gutters, siding, and even lawn equipment quickly and efficiently. They're tough on dirt, but gentle on surfaces. Perfect for detailed work and tight spaces. These smaller brushes offer superior control for cleaning fountains, intricate details, and hard-to-reach areas. Get into those tiny gaps with ease. These brushes are tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on surfaces. Use them with your favorite cleaner for superior results. They're ideal for a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a refund or replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's uniquely shaped to clean corners and contours effectively. This versatile tool tackles various outdoor cleaning tasks. If you want to transform your drill into a powerful cleaning machine, this is the brush for you. What people say. These are a lifesaver. For years I have been looking for this product. They work with any drill, and when I said a lifesaver, I meant it. My entire bath is covered with tile and cleaning grout is A/B*********. These attachments whiz through the grout and clean so amazingly that when I'm done the grout looks brand new. No fancy cleaners are needed. I use a standard tub and tile cleaner with it and Viola, everything sparkles. I cleaned my entire shower and tub in less than 5 minutes. I saw a video where a detail shop was using a power brush to clean the upholstery in a customer's vehicle. I saw these brushes on Amazon and decided to try them. I had a stain spot on the driver's seat of my car I had tried to remove before, so I tried the smaller spot brush on it. It worked. I used the brush along with an upholstery cleaner called Blue Coral Dry Clean. It is a foam cleaner in a pressurized can that comes out like shaving cream. I saw brushes like these on car detailing YouTube channels. These brushes looked like they'd work on my micro-suede couches and chairs in my house. They're the soft ones, the bristles aren't so stiff that they'd damage my furniture. I sprayed some all-purpose cleaner onto the fabric, attached the drill brush to my cordless drill, and scrubbed one of my micro-suede seat cushions. Then I extracted with a little Bissell hot water extractor to get all the nasty dirt and all-purpose cleaner out of the fabric. Boom! The seats look brand new. Number 4. Yocada Floor Scrub Brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning a breeze. Its 2-in-1 design tackles tough stains and grime with ease. It features both a stiff bristle brush and a rubber squeegee. You can scrub and scrape away dirt and water in one simple motion. The ergonomic handle and angled brush head reduce strain on your back. Cleaning is now simple and convenient. Extend the handle from 45.3 to 55.9 inches to reach high and low places. No more bending or stretching. Made with sturdy PP material and iron, it's built to last. The stiff bristles tackle even the most stubborn stains. Use it wet or dry on various surfaces, including tile, hardwood, glass, and cement. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and patios. What we like. It features a combined brush and scraper for efficient cleaning. The adjustable handle makes cleaning easier on your back. If you are looking for an ergonomic and efficient way to clean various surfaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The telescopic handle is a game changer, allowing me to adjust the length to suit different tasks comfortably. It's perfect for reaching high walls and low corners without straining. What stands out is the stiff bristles, which are tough enough to scrub away grime and dirt effectively. The handle is comfortable and definitely sturdy as I'm scrubbing. The bristles are hard enough to scrub into the crevices. The squeegee is flexible enough to scoot all the water into a puddle for easy wiping up. The scrubbing and squeegee action is good. I like how you can adjust the length of the handle and lock it into place. Number 3. Yocada 18 Push Broom. This heavy-duty broom is perfect for tackling large outdoor spaces. Its wide sweeping surface and durable construction make cleaning quick and easy. It sweeps a wide area with each pass, saving you time and effort. The specially designed head ensures long-lasting performance. The handle adjusts from 50.8 inches to 65.3 inches, allowing you to customize the height for comfortable use. No more bending over. Its angled design and comfortable grip reduce strain on your back and arms, making cleaning less tiring. It's designed for ease of use. It's made with tough, stiff bristles and a reinforced handle, ensuring it can withstand even the toughest cleaning jobs. The protective handle coating is soft on your hands. Use it on patios, driveways, sidewalks, or even in industrial settings. It's versatile and ready for any cleaning challenge. What we like. Its wide head covers more area quickly. The adjustable handle allows for comfortable cleaning. If you need a durable and efficient broom for large outdoor areas, this is your best bet. What people say. The handles are three-piece design, but they hold well and no signs of the joints failing. It does exactly what it's meant to do. It cleans the patio, the driveway, and it does it with one sweep. You don't have to go over 1 million times. Very comfortable and stable push broom. Great for outdoor use and is also excellent for pushing water as well. The length is adjustable and is set up to use with minimal effort and back pain. Number 2. ProTuff Pool Brush. This innovative brush is designed for superior pool cleaning. Its sturdy bristles and unique design make cleaning faster and easier than ever before. Experience 3 times the cleaning efficiency. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your pool. We're so confident in its quality, it comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. Residential users get free replacements, and commercial users get them at half price. We value our customers. With ProTuff, you'll always get a better return on your investment. Get a free pool maintenance guide, packed with tips and tricks for keeping your pool sparkling clean. It's a valuable resource for pool owners of all experience levels. Also receive a free ebook with 45 fun games for the pool. Perfect for kids and adults, these games add extra enjoyment to pool time. It easily converts from a 17.5 straight brush to a 22 brush with curved ends. This versatility makes it perfect for all pool types and cleaning needs. Its unique design tackles even the toughest spots. The removable curved ends make cleaning walls and corners a breeze. What we like. It cleans pool walls and corners 3 times faster. It comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. If you value efficiency, durability, and added bonuses, this is the superior choice. What people say. It's 22 wide versus most brushes that are around 18. Between the width and the substantial bristles, it has been taking me about half the time to brush down my pool. This brush has the bristles in the bottom and side, scrubs the sidewall corners, as you brush the bottom. The brush is very durable and works perfect with my custom pool. Curved brushes on edges get into the corners easily and gets into those hard-to-reach parts. Number 1. Moss Remover Deck Crevice Cleaning Tool. It's so easy to keep your walkways and decks looking their best. This tool effortlessly removes moss and weeds from cracks and crevices. Keeping crevices clean prevents small weeds from becoming big problems. It also helps maintain proper drainage, preventing wood rot and moss growth. This innovative brush is a favorite in Europe and now available in America. It's the perfect chemical-free solution for cleaning patios, flagstones, and brick walkways. It's great for removing dirt, small weeds, and debris from between pavers. The copper bristles and metal scraper make quick work of even stubborn weeds. This tool simplifies weed removal, saving you time and effort. It's a real workhorse, and for a limited time, we're including a second brush as a gift. This grout cleaner brush is fun and easy to use. It's perfect for keeping your outdoor spaces looking pristine and weed-free. What we like. It effectively removes moss and weeds without harsh chemicals. This tool keeps your pavers clean and looking great. If you want a chemical-free way to maintain your pavers, and get a bonus brush, this is the perfect option. What people say. It was easy to switch onto a broom handle, and it is so cleverly designed with the two sides for scraping out and brushing. It didn't damage the sand joints at all but completely removed the moss. This is made from really high-quality bristles and will last. This brush, Old City, worked like a charm. I was so pleasantly surprised how effective it was to brush out the moss, or for those really challenging cracks, use the pointed scraper. The first one more than held up for the entire job. The nail is a perfect first pass to remove the moss in long strips. The wire brush does an excellent cleanup job, especially where the cracks are too narrow for the nail to be effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.